What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a little bit different than normal videos because my friend Gavin is here. Gavin, say hello.
Yo.
He's got a bunch of camera stuff. This is Saint G on Instagram and on TikTok. I'll link it down below. He is the man when it comes to filming cinematic edits. We're gonna do a shoot tonight down in Swickley, like downtown Swickley. I'm gonna like film a behind the scenes because this video is kind of like almost announcing that me and Gavin are going to be working together in the near future on my channel. Gavin is a f***ing wizard when it comes to the camera. My friend Colin is back there. Colin, say hello. Yo. He had, what year is your car?
2011.
He has a 2011 Audi R8. This car has already been on the channel. 2011 Audi R8 V8 and it's gated. This car looks so good. Guys, look at the cars. Look at the lineup right now. But so the plan is we are going to go down into Swickley, like downtown on Main Street at nighttime, like probably like 11 o'clock. Gavin is going to film a cinematic montage for us. This is me like introducing you guys to Gavin and the work that he does because this kid is actually insane. And I'll put the edit that he did of me and him at the racetrack right here. All right, guys, real quick before it gets dark outside, I want to show off Gavin's filming equipment. He's got a whole trunk in here. Look at this. Look at this.
All right, got the DJI Ronin S. Fire.
Dude, he's got a whole screen
Got
on
that
this
monitor.
thing. I just can't wait till you guys see the quality of the videos this kid makes. It's so good. Gavin is loading all of his equipment in the M3. Colin's got his R8 started. As usual, my V8 M3 has no gas in it. We're gonna go get some gas and then head to Swickley. We've just been like watching like Harnett Media edits for like the past hour.
Hour straight. Now we're about to make one.
Real quick, guys, before we head out, I'm gonna show you Colin's R8. Dude, the gated shifter? Are you kidding me? Dude, this cockpit is so sick. I want one so bad. I can't imagine what a V10 gated would be like.
Meanwhile.
All right, guys. As you can hear from the torrential downpour around us, this is summer in Pittsburgh. Beautiful weather. Next second, it is dumping rain. God damn it, guys. But let's just take a second to appreciate how good these cars look. Fuck, dude.
As soon as we pulled out of your fucking plan.
Windows down, and I'm starting to feel some rain. And I put my hand out the window, and then it's just downpouring.
Category 5 hurricane.
I guess we'll see you guys when like it stops raining and we go over to Swickley.
Yo, what's the retail on one of those?
What's the retail on one of those? 15 bucks. More than you can afford, pal.
Damn, that's actually not bad.
Ferrari. It's electric.
Yeah. But what I'm thinking is we go get him set up over there, turn around, we kind of like pull up. I think that's what we're gonna do. Gavin behind the camera here. Yeah. We're gonna get Gavin set up. Me and Colin got out of our cars here because we are walking down. Dude, it is deserted. It is. There's nobody here.
Well, Swickley people are afraid of it.
Guys, I'm telling you right now, we lucked out. It's like, I think it's, I don't have my phone on me. It's like 11 o'clock at night. It just rained. So there is nobody in downtown Swickley except for this car right here. We're showing Gavin where we're thinking of doing this. That like gazebo over there under those lights. So like, dude, like right there, like you see that opening between the yellow?
Yellow, like where the garbage can.
Yeah. So like between the, are those actual parking spots? All right, guys, right here. Dude, in the water on the ground and everything, this is gonna be so sick. Damn. That's pretty damn good. I hope you guys enjoyed that edit that me and Gavin made, and Colin. Gavin is an insanely talented kid. I'm so excited to announce that me and him are actually gonna be working together. It's gonna be sick because I have the cars and the access to, like, you know, motorsport events and stuff like that. And especially with me getting into racing, and hopefully I'm gonna be racing soon, which I'm gonna be talking about that more into the next videos coming up. It's gonna be such a good collab because I have like the cars and the content to film, and Gavin has the skills to make absolutely sick videos, and he's just a cool kid in general. I hope you guys enjoy that, and I hope you guys are excited for what basically I'm trying to let you guys know that the level of content that we're gonna be making in the future is gonna be insane. I wanted to talk to you guys about the E30 real quick. So I have the E30 up on jack stands because I gave the rear diff to my friend Ian. He has an S52 swapped E30. Sorry, my garage is a mess, but real quick, I have a new differential. This is actually a 410. If you guys watched the last video, which you should go watch it, the gears in this thing were mental. Second gear went almost up. I think I revved it to only like 2,000, I'll throw the clip in. But I revved it to only like 7,000 RPMs, and I still had another 1,300 RPMs to go, and I was almost at 80 miles an hour. Gears are way too tall, so I gave him my 325, and then he gave me a 410. I have to go through this diff, clean it all up, put a new back cover on, and then put it in the E30, and then it'll be running and driving, and hopefully it will absolutely rip with that short rear end. And then there's a few more things we're gonna do in the engine bay to touch it up and clean it up. We're gonna make a little metal cover here and make the trumpets thing and move that ugly thing. Basically, there's a lot of work to go on with this car because it's gonna be painted here very soon. So that's gonna be a whole video series in itself. But guys, I'm rambling on. There's so much to talk about. Oh, and I got a new car, which I don't know how soon it's gonna be on the channel for, but it's gonna be different. It's gonna more or less be my daily, but there's gonna be a couple cool things that we're gonna do to it. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the video out here. I hope you absolutely enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are hyped to have Gavin working with me now so we can make absolutely sick content. But next video is gonna be on the E30. I'm gonna see if Gavin wants to come over and film that video with me because we're gonna be like driving around the car, and I think, like, you know, it'll be cool. As I always say, guys, dream so big it's scary. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one.
I understand what it is.
It can't take photos.
Okay, video us. Take a video.
There you are. Here,